UCC okuhakanisa amakuru aga nikijaho bwa nyuma y'ebitwirene birabamo aha mikutu eri kugiita abantu eya internet koreka ko kurugebera 8 by'okwezi oku ku gavumenti eriyo neetebekanisa kusharaho internet aha mikutu yona otireho na mobile money ekibara kugira ngo ebe nebishuba kandi nibarabura abo bona abari kugezaho kujanjaza amakuru aga gekishobobo kubarekeraho.
From what has been going around in the media in the past 2 days, 3 days, you now appreciate why misinformation really can cause a lot of anxiety. That document was not originated by UCC. I want to repeat that what has been circulating, that internet is going to be switched off, is definitely not the position of government. Because as regulators, there's no way such would happen or would be in preparation without my knowledge.
Tembo nyombi orukurre kitongore cha UCC ebyabigamba obuyabaryo mu rukiko rw'abanyamakuru aha media center omuri Kampala.
I want to assure the nation nobody has told me to prepare for that. I don't know, because we have these stakeholders whom we always consult. We have consumers. Consumers haven't indicated to me that they want the internet switched off, unless if the media tell me so, that the people out there are yearning for the closure of the internet. The regulator will definitely listen to the consumers. If consumers tell us and say the internet is causing us problems, we'll evaluate that and see whether it is proper to do that. But the consumers haven't told us that.
Oguyayongera yagira ngo bino buryo obubara kumanyisa mwihanga obushikire ahabere kugendo misho.
There's nothing we'll do in whispers. There's nothing we'll do in hiding. If we are to take any intervention, we'll share it with the general public. So there is no reason why we should speculate on this.
Nde Edwin Ram habga TV West Agacencwire.